Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming backups so you don't lose data. Sign into My Account. Google. With the account you want removed, this ensures you have rights to make changes. Once signed in, check recovery options and two-step verification status so you can regain access if needed. Make sure Drive, photos, and contacts are exported or transferred now. If you plan to keep data, transfer ownership or download a Google Takeout archive before proceeding to deletion steps. This prevents accidental permanent loss. Once done with backups, go to Data and Privacy and choose Delete your Google account to begin removal. You'll complete identity checks, re-enter password, and approve a two-step code if enabled. This prevents unauthorized deletions. Review the presented list of services and data tied to the account. This shows what will be lost. Make sure to download any last-minute files and confirm legal or subscription consequences. Finally, check required confirmation boxes and click Delete Account to finalize the request. You finish by acknowledging a potential short retention window where Google may let you recover the account. Note that permanent deletion happens afterward. If something goes wrong, like being locked out during the process, use the recovery email or phone immediately to regain access and retry deletion. If the account was tied to subscriptions or third-party services, make sure you updated sign-in emails or transferred ownership before deleting. This prevents service interruptions. If deletion failed, check error messages and repeat identity verification steps.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.